how to fix Instagram not showing highlight views on my story. So if you're facing a problem with the views or the highlight views on your story, then first open up your Instagram application, and then here if you simply posted a story, then on the bottom left side of that story you will have that views, right? So if you're not being able to see that views, then the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. So while your internet connection is slow, or if your internet connection is not working, then you might have that kind of problem. So simply check your internet connection and then again open up your Instagram application and you will have your views there. But even after that, if your views doesn't appear, then you can go for the settings on your phone, and then you can go for apps and notifications and go for Instagram and open up your Instagram on your settings, and then go for storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. And after clearing your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But even after that, if your problem doesn't fix, then open up your Play Store and then go for Instagram, search for Instagram, and if you have an update option here instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Instagram application. And even after updating, if your problem doesn't fix, then you can simply uninstall the application and then you can simply install it again from your Play Store or your App Store. So after installing, you can log into your account and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.